If you guys want to see all our new classic cars, please hit the subscribe button. We get new cars in every day. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. I got another Mustang here for you today. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button if you like classic cars and want to see our new inventory every day. Let's get started. 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe up for sale today. This is a V8 302 automatic transmission. It's a solid driver, not a show quality on this one. The biggest highlight on this car is the undercarriage. It's very clean. It's got no rot underneath, no rust. We're going to go over the entire vehicle. I'll show you the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you're getting before you get it. We ship all over the US and can get it to any port if you choose to ship it worldwide. If you can tell, the paint on it is average condition. From 5 feet away, it's a great looker. We'll start off on the fender here. There's no visible flaws on it besides the paint quality. The hood is up a little bit. You can see the line on it. It's off a little bit. We got this trim here, a little loose. Well, it's tight now. Was loose. Bumper's got a little imperfection there. Again, the hood coming up here needs to be aligned correctly. The tires got good meat on the bones, but it looks like they are older and the wheels are not so great. They are Cooper Cobra tires though. You got this here, how it's off a little bit. Looks like previous body work there. This door's got a lot of small imperfections in the paint. A little bit of cracking here or body work that was done to it. This side's good. I don't see any rust or rot. Wheels are not in good shape. A little bit of cracking there. Come to the rear. A little dent right here if you can see that. Again, little drip marks here. Looks like just a quick paint job was put on this one. The rear bumper is in decent shape. This would make a great candidate for a restoration project. If you want to restore this and turn it into a show car, it checks a lot of the boxes as far as undercarriage. That's what I look for when I buy these cars. Because we're up in the Northeast, I want stuff with clean undercarriages. A little bubbling there. Take a look at the undercarriage. I left this all original. I did not undercoat it or anything. But all this is super, super solid. So what I would recommend is if you do buy it, put some nice undercoating on it, preserve it. Let's take a look at the other side. Carpet's not in the best shape, and the seats, this seat is fine, but that seat's cut up. Dash as well is all warped. Headliner though is in good shape. Rear seat's in good shape. Got one little, looks like a little nick in the seat there. Looks like maybe water's getting through. I don't know if the seals are bad. We got no door tag on this one. Showing 39,444 miles. We'll see if these work when we start it up. Mechanically, it starts good, it runs good. It does need a pulley for the alternator. Oil pressure's going up, perfect. We'll see if the temperature works. Coin does not work. The engine sounds good, but like I said, it is making a pulley noise. And you can see the pulley moving on it right there, and that does need to be replaced. Power steering car. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something you drive? As far as price, check out our website, bobevansclassics.com. We put all our pricing online. We don't keep them in videos because we price cars aggressively. If they don't sell, we lower them until they're sold. We keep things moving. I get a lot of questions. Why don't you put prices in your car? In your video for your cars? We don't hold on to our prices, guys. If I don't sell this within 2 weeks, we lower it. We keep it moving. Up for sale now, bobevansclassics.com. Give us a call or go on our website. If you're interested, give us a call.